what color your hand is.
It's purple.
It is?
Wow.
Is that the prettiest tree?
What color
Yeah.
is it?
What is a tree up for? What do we call it? What kind of tree?
Jingle.
Uh-huh.
What color is it?
Oh, it's not Ginger, that's your teacher's name.
It's a Christmas tree, right? And who's going to come and bring you toys?
Ha-ha.
Aha.
I found something of these.
What did you find up there? What is it? Who is it?
They're Santa Clauses.
Leah, tell Grandma who's on top of the tree. Who is it? What's up there?
I can't reach.
What do you see though? What do you see on top of the tree? Who is that? That's a what?
Angel.
Oh, it's an angel.
You want to color it now?
Leah, do you want to
Yeah.
hang an ornament on the tree?
Okay.
Here, look. You can hang this one on the tree. Hang it up there. And just hang it.
You can put it on a branch.
Very good.
You're
Oh.
decorating the tree.
Very nice.
Which one I can?
Over the branch. Over the branch. Very good.
Oh, nice. Will you look at Grandma for a second? Let me see.
And it's a Christmas tree.